Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are doing an unboxing. So let's get started. It was all from the Christmas catalog, so I'm super excited. And one of them is in my September purchase. So if you purchase this stamp set, Gnome for the Holidays, then you get to attend my October class where we're going to make lots of fun stuff with this. So grab that. I'm going to put the host code down below, but just so you know, it is XEZBT4WU. That's the September host code. And again, grab that, Gnome for the Holidays. If you purchase that, great. If you already have it, then you just need to purchase a $50 minimum order, and you will also be able to attend that. Or if you are a demonstrator on my team, you get invited to all of them for free. So, speaking of becoming a demonstrator, okay, hold on. I'm just going to show you a couple other things because I'm so excited about this new demonstrator program that they have this month, September. So, but first, let me show you another stamp set I got. It's called The Sweetest Time. Oh my gosh, I don't know about you, but I had all of these candles. My parents had all those candles when I was young. So I just remember tons of those candles being around the house during Christmas time. I also got some great ribbon. This is the All the Trimmings ribbon combo pack. You see that there. And then this one is a sheer ribbon. It's the Real Red. See that there? Pretty. And we've got the North Pole Wonder dies. Let me open this up for you. Okay, now while I'm opening, I'm going to tell you the demonstrator kit that they have right now. You get everything that you normally would get, $99, and you get $125 worth of product. And on top of that, oh, I'm just going to tear this off. I never keep them anyways. But on top of that, you also get 2 stamp sets. One is called So Much Love, and the other one I don't remember. It's something lace, like Grandma's Lace or something like that. I'll put that all down below as well so you can see what a great deal it is. North Pole Wonders dies. And then on top of the 2 stamp sets, they're also going to give you enough cut paper to make 16 cards. So you're ready to go as soon as you get your kit. You don't have to cut or anything. Look at these dies. Oh man, is that beautiful? And so that goes with the wishes and the wonders. You can see the sled right here goes with that, and then this is gonna cut that out. I can't wait to see how these two work in tandem. And then here is that. So pretty. And it looks like there's a tag on here as well. This makes a little tag. So will that be fun? Oh, I love it. Alrighty. And the next one, I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you this because the other stuff all goes together. I mean, all of this really goes together, but still. It says Wonders of the Season, Memories and More card pack. So we got that. And then the Most Wonderful Time product medley refill. And look at that. I don't even know what all it has in there, but it looks like it has some stars. Look at these little stars. They're much smaller than the ones that we sell as embellishments. And then there's other goodies in here. I've got to open it. Right? We've got to see what all is in here. Like, what's the point of doing an unboxing if I'm only going to show you the wrapping? But if you want to see it in use, make sure you're subscribed because I use all of this stuff to make cards each week, at least 2, if not more, and then sometimes some like DIYs using this same product or other products as well. But okay, we've got, oh, look at that. So we've got some designer series paper in here. I have not seen this. Look. But it is double-sided. I have not seen this one. So this is designer series paper that you're going to get all, do you see that? Double-sided. Complete, you can't order it just on its own that I could see. Look, candy canes. And then there's, those two are the same. Oh, that's the back side of this one. What else? This one has that back side. Look at that. And then those two. So, fun. And then there's other stuff in here as well. And I'm looking. It looks like these are little, are these stickers? Oh, these are stickers. Look at those. I should just do a class on just this, right? We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm going to definitely be doing more classes as well. You guys, I am so close to earning the incentive trip, and I only have 30 days left. So, look at that. These are all stickers. Oh, I'm super excited to use this. And then we've got some little card fronts, it looks like. Again, these are for, I believe that was for what is that? Product medley refill. So that's just the refill. But you can do this for scrapbooking. So pretty. Now these are not double-sided. They're just bases. I'm going to have to definitely do that. But you saw they're going to work well with stamps as well. And then of course those guys, which I already showed you. So that was fun. Alright, since I opened that, I will open this guy as well for you. I'm really saving the best part that I'm excited for. I mean, I'm excited for all of it, but I really can't wait. Because I will definitely be doing a class on the next set of stuff. Alright, here we go. We've got, again, this is for memories and more, but they can be used to make cards. These are single-sided. There's just lots of fun stuff in there. It says celebrate the season. That one looks like just a Christmas card all in its own. Merry Christmas. Season's greetings. And then some other stuff in there. Then we've got some stickers. Look at those. A couple sets of stickers there. This one's double-sided. I didn't check to see if all of them were. That's the only one I see that is double-sided so far. Oh, we haven't got there yet. Some more stickers there. And now, we've got more stickers. It says wonder and joy, believe, and the little deer, or I guess that's a reindeer, yep. We've got some numbers, so you can make your own advent if you'd like. Those, you get a good amount of those. You get 6 of these. You get 6 of these. And you're going to get 6 of these as well. This is if you purchase it all on your own. And then we have little cards as well. How cute would this be for a journal? Sorry if you can hear little one crying. He is refusing to sleep is what I'm assuming. There we go. Look at that. How cute is that? This one. This one says, sending wishes from the North Pole. And then we got this one here. And then that's the back. So that's everything in that kit. What was the name of that kit again? Yeah, the Wonders of the Season, Memories and More pack. So we got that. All right, you ready to see the final thing that I got? I'm going to just show you, and then I'll... what is it? This is the stamp set called Warm Hugs. I'm going to let you just look at that for a little while. How cute is that? You get 21 stamps. 21 stamps. And you get all of these little circular stamps. It's got some coffee if you like coffee. I don't know. I'm very much a like coffee, cocoa type of person. You're the marshmallows to my cocoa. That's so cute. So during Christmas. So I love the cocoa during Christmas. And I like to do little gifts like that with you know, hot chocolate and whatnot, or apple cider sometimes. And then these are the dies, I assume. I'm gonna open this up and I could be surprised because, you know, my little mind forgets what I order from time to time. All right, warm wrap dies. Oh yes, I told you. This all fits together because look what it's going to do. It's going to make little cup wraps, right? And then here's the circles. We've got some little hearts and cups and stars. All kinds of fun stuff in there that coordinate with this guy. And when you buy them together, you save the 10%. So there's that. I will definitely be doing a class on this. I'm working on my schedule right now, and I will have something out this week. All right, ready? This are these cups. So I wanted to show you the size because I have little teeny tiny ones, and I thought that's how big they were, so I wasn't going to buy them, but I was very glad that I did decide to buy them. And then they come with the lids as well. Look how cute. So you got that, and we can decorate those all up. And then, you know, you can't just give the wife one and not the husband, or the daughter one without the son, right? So you're going to make a little packet of 2, and you're going to need a carrier for them, and that's what's in here. Holy smokes, look at this cute little carrier. Oh, my hand doesn't want to do it. Oh, there we go. Look, it makes a little carrier, and then those all come together, right? How quick and easy is that? And then we get to decorate it with some of our papers and stickers and whatnot. I can't stick it together right now, but and then these go in there. Imagine getting that all decorated nicely. Or if it is just one person, imagine getting a thing of, you know, coffee or cookies or something in here, or coffee or chocolate in here, and then like a thing of cookies or something in here, maybe little shortbreads. So I thought this is super cute. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. If you want to stamp along with me or take any of my classes, again, I will have that class schedule up here by the end of the week, and we will get everything sorted out. I'm so excited. Can you see how excited I am? So, all right, you guys, I am so thankful for you, and I am just blessed to be so close to earning my incentive trip because of each and every one of you and my team, and I hope you will all take advantage of that great special and join on my team and become a Stamping Beauties. We have so much fun, and I would love to see you at least each and every month, twice, 3 times a month on Zoom and on the telephone and text. So, all right. You guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed all of this Christmas, and we will get talking with you later. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. Bye.